So you've decided to use Drupal to create your website and manage your online content, but you're not sure how to install it. This video will walk you through the process using cPanel. Not sure what cPanel is or if you have it? If you bought a GoDaddy hosting plan for Linux as opposed to a hosting plan for Windows, then you have cPanel. It's essentially a dashboard to help you manage aspects of your hosting account, including files, settings, and applications like Drupal. To get your cPanel dashboard, sign into your GoDaddy account and click My Products. In your products list, locate Web Hosting and then click Manage. You'll see a listing of all your hosting accounts and domain names. In this example, Jane has just one, CaliforniaFlowerFarms.com. Notice that cPanel appears under the Manage button. Click Manage to open cPanel. This is the cPanel dashboard. Now we can install Drupal. Under Web Applications, click Drupal. Installatron opens to an overview page about Drupal. You don't need to spend any time here unless you'd like to learn more about Drupal. Let's keep going and click Install this application. The Installatron install wizard will guide you through the installation of Drupal. It provides instructions and helpful information about each field. Here are a few important things to remember. First, in the Location section, be sure the domain you want to install Drupal on appears in the domain field. In our example, Jane has only one domain, so it automatically appears in the domain field. If Jane owned other domains or had created subdomains, they would appear in the drop-down menu. Next, leave the directory field empty if you want to use Drupal as the website for the domain you selected. Not sure what that means? Let's say Jane types wholesale in the directory field. Drupal will be installed on CaliforniaFlowerFarms.com/wholesale, and that will be the web address for the page or site she creates with Drupal. But then later Jane decides she wants to use Drupal to create a single website for both the retail and wholesale arms of her business. And she wants the web address to be called CaliforniaFlowerFarms.com. She'll need to either reinstall Drupal on CaliforniaFlowerFarms.com or move or copy the Drupal installation to her CaliforniaFlowerFarms.com domain. Finally, in the Settings section, you'll see that an administrator username and administrator password are provided. Be sure to note them or change them to something you will remember. When all the fields and options are set the way you want them, click Install. If you happen to get an error message, don't panic. Check the version section of the Install wizard. In some cases, there's an incompatibility with the version of Drupal you want to install and the PHP version of the domain you've selected. The good news is it's easy to change your PHP version in the Software section of your cPanel dashboard. Check out the links below this video for full instructions. Don't see an error message? Great! You've successfully installed Drupal. For help using Drupal, see the links below this video.